And we've shot the cute fun ad. Karan will tell you about it.
Yeah, it's basically it says that you need 6 hours of really good sleep, and if you don't get that, then 40% of your brain functions get reduced, which nobody really wants. So we didn't show the 40% reduction in the brain activity in the ad, but we're just showing how a good sleep on this mattress helps you remain, active and fit.
You're a power couple today and you hardly get time to rest. So, endorsing a bed, how does it feel? You feel more people will be really wanting to take a little time from their life and take a little rest after you guys talk about it?
Yeah, we actually took a little longer shooting the ad because, like you said, we don't get to rest. So when they told us to lie down for
Sleep.
the shot, we actually slept. So
Yeah, we
and
were
then they woke us
actually
up.
catching a snooze and enjoying the moments when we were asked to sleep.
Yeah, the director thought we were method, but no, not really.
We were just resting.
Karan,
The first step to achieving great sleep is working very hard. So when you work really hard through the day, then this automatically your sleep in the night becomes better. And make sure for what we follow is not to you know try and watch a lot of things before going to bed. Not have
Kind of plays on your mind otherwise, whatever you see.
yeah, listen to some calming music or read something that is you know just kind of lets
Relaxing,
you
yeah.
float. Yeah,
Gives you good thoughts.
don't eat too heavy in the night. Acidity, lots of stuff happens. I actually make sure that I get 6 hours of sleep, no matter what, because it's. I don't believe in 8 hours of sleep anyway. I never have. Sometimes it goes up to 12 hours when it's a holiday, but 6 hours is something that I make sure that I get. I sleep at around 11:30. I wake up at 5:30 in the morning. So see, that's
Karan is a very early riser.
so you sort of have
His
the
thing is
perfect
he has to
balance.
like
yeah,
do his yoga, do his sketching, do his riyaz, and then he wakes me up.
yeah.
I also wake up early, but not so early. Like we just discussed it through and through. It's the posture, it's the relaxation, it's everything. It's like you will never get good sleep on a bad mattress. You're going to like have pains and aches.
Yeah.
You'll toss and turn if the mattress is not good. It's not supporting your body right. You're never going to get good sleep.
It has to be perfect, not too soft, not too hard. It needs to. You need to understand what your body needs, and not everyone needs the same thing, obviously, always. But you have to understand that about yourself.